going to unboxing my Neckband Bluetooth. Then guys, let's go unboxing. Then oh, what's up? Very beautiful color, blue dark. You can show it. And that is a sleeve. And very secret. You can see there is something. Oh, that is cable. Yes, very useful. And something is here, but it's very secret. Oh, we can look. There is something. Oh, there is birds. Then guys, you can show there is some items, and that's charger cable, this air tips, and that is very beautiful and glazing color blue neckband. We can hang over that. Looks. And there is a very good looks. You can see the glazing and then guys, we can say that there is very good. Finally guys, I forget it, and we are going to discuss about its ports and button. Really guys, so guys, you can look it. There is power button, and it's volume button, and it's charger switch, and there is something NC. Yeah, it's blue.